How often do you find yourself staring at a dying plant, wondering, WTF went wrong? Here's the truth. The green thumb is a myth. Even plant pros have trouble keeping their plants happy because plants can't just tell us what they need. Plant care really shouldn't feel like guesswork. That's why FYTA created the beam, a clever little device that gives potted plants something they've never had before, a voice. Since then, FYTA has helped thousands of plants to grow happy. Today, the FYTA lineup is growing. You see, plants are all different, and they all have different needs. That's why FYTA created a full ecosystem of interconnected devices to meet the needs of every plant in your care. Meet the FYTA Beam, your plant's new best friend. It keeps an eye on soil moisture, nutrients, temperature, and light, so you always know exactly what your plant needs. And here's the FYTA Mini. Small, smart, and made for plant lovers with a jungle at home. And then there's the Sphere, a really cool little clip-on that you can move into all directions to capture light from any angle. It tracks light, air humidity, and temperature, and is best combined with the Mini to monitor multiple plants in one location. And for all the outdoorsy types, we have the Outdoor Beam. It keeps an eye on lawns and vegetable patches. It helps reduce water waste, helps to find the plants that grow best in your garden, and keeps them healthy and productive, even in remote areas. But the real magic happens in the FYTA app. It takes all the plant data and turns them into 13 different metrics that give you insights into your plant. And tutorials help you learn about plant care. It even helps you identify plants, check for diseases, and find the plants that thrive best in your environment. It's like having a personal plant coach with superpowers right in your pocket. But how did we get here? Meet Claudia. Claudia's journey started with her own plant struggles, so she brought together biologists, engineers, and data scientists, all with one mission: to make plants measurable and improve our understanding of all things green. Building FYTA wasn't easy. We tested, built, and rebuilt again and again with a lot of great feedback from our customers. Late nights, crazy ideas, and a whole lot of plants later, we created something special. More than just sensors, an entire ecosystem to understand and care for plants like never before. Now, it's on you. Stop guessing. Start growing. Ready to go? Get a FYTA sensor and give your plants a voice.